If your microphone is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then carry on watching as I'm going to share with you some quick and easy solutions to get your microphone working. Now, first thing we're going to do is come down to our taskbar in the right hand side here, and you need to right click on the volume icon and select sound settings. Then scroll down to this input section and you need to make sure you have your microphone enabled here. If your microphone's not showing in this input section, then we can simply press this pair a new input device and select add device, and then just follow the steps to connect your microphone. From this menu, you also need to make sure your volume is turned up to full, and then from this left hand tab here we're going to scroll down and come into privacy and security. Scroll all the way down to find microphone and click that, and you need to make sure this is toggled on next to microphone access, and you also need to make sure let apps access your microphone is toggled to on, as your microphone isn't going to work without this setting enabled. We can then come back to this tab on the left here and come to Windows Update, and what we're going to do is press this check for updates button to ensure we're running the latest version of Windows, as outdated software can also cause problems with our microphones, so it's just worth making sure we're fully up to date here. We can then close out of this window, and if that's not fixed the issue, the next thing we're going to do is come to our start menu and search for device manager, then tap on the device manager tab, and you want to expand this tab here next to audio inputs and outputs, and inside of here you should be able to locate your microphone. As you can see at the top here, this is my one, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to right click on this and select uninstall device. I'm not going to press this because I'm currently using the microphone, so you won't be able to hear me, but you need to come in and press uninstall device, and then once the device is uninstalled, we can come to action at the top here and press scan for hardware changes, and that's going to reinstall the microphone. You then need to right click on your microphone again and select update driver, and let's just ensure we're running the most up-to-date drivers on our microphone by pressing this search automatically for drivers button. And as you can see here, I'm running the latest drivers, which is great. If you are running an outdated driver, just make sure to update it from here, and then we can close out of this window. If that's still not working, the next thing we can do is come back to our start menu and search for run, and tap on the run icon. Inside of this search box, you need to type in mmsys.cpl and hit enter. Then head over to the recording tab up here, and once again locate your microphone from this list, and we need to ensure that our microphone is set to the default device, which you can do just by selecting it and then clicking this set default button. As you can see, this button's grayed out for me, and that's because I already have my microphone set to the default device. You also need to make sure your microphone's actually enabled. As you can see, I've got a green tick next to mine just by right clicking and pressing enable if it is already disabled. You then want to head into properties and come over to this advanced section. So underneath exclusive mode, you should have both of these boxes checked. If you do have these boxes checked already, then I'd recommend unchecking these boxes and then pressing apply and OK to save your changes. Now, once again, if that's still not working for you guys, I've got another fix, and that's coming over to your start menu and searching for troubleshooter. Tap on troubleshoot settings, then come into other troubleshooters, select audio, and then we're just going to follow the steps on the screen here to diagnose problems with our microphone. Once you've finished in here, we can close out of that window, and the very last thing we can do if that's still not working for you guys is come back to your start menu and search for services. Then tap on the services tab, and we're going to scroll all the way down here, and what we're looking for is a service called Windows Audio. Now, I've located mine here, Windows Audio, and as you can see, it's already running. What we need to do is right click on Windows Audio and hit restart, and come into properties and just make sure that the service is running, and make sure the startup type is set to automatically, and you can press OK to save those changes. And that's it, guys. Hopefully by following all of these steps, that's fixed any issues you're having with your microphone. If you still are experiencing problems, please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.